Um, it's almost 3 and I'm not really allowed to be at Jenny's house right now because her mom hates me. But I had this really good joke I wanted to share with her, and I'm gonna share it with you guys too. Okay, so what has horns and is furry?
I don't know. What?
A goat. Wasn't that a good joke? Wasn't that a good joke?
What? Anyways, speaking of goats, here's a video of us breaking into a goat farm.
Okay, so we're back from my house. We got this chair and we're gonna climb over the fence now with it. It's kind of old, so I'm not sure if it'll break or not.
That's the fence over there.
Yeah.
See, look.
Yeah, this is the sign that we missed earlier. We're gonna try and get over the fence with this chair.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This chair is so rickety.
Jump, Jenny.
I can't.
Okay.
Oh my god, it's like sinking in.
What do you want to do?
Let's go get a stool for my house.
Okay. Good idea. So, this is Jenny's stool, and we're gonna use it to bypass this electrical fence. Hey, it doesn't shock me. Oh my god. Oh
Rubber
my god.
doesn't shock.
It doesn't shock me. But the rest of my body is not rubber. What do I do?
Turn on your flashlight.
Okay. Maybe I should just step on this fence. Oh my god, I just got the perfect plan.
Don't. Just jump over it.
Right? Just step on it. Wait, I can step on it from right here. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Are you being shocked? Were you shocked?
Yeah.
Oh my god, are you okay?
Oh. Okay, now you can get over. Did you get that on tape?
Yes. Oh my god, okay.
Okay, just leave it
We
there.
could have
leave it there.
just used the stool. Look guys, look at this huge field of goats.
Guys, look.
You guys don't see it right now, but there's like hundreds of them, man. Hundreds. We broke the law just for you. We're trying to feed them apples right now. I think they're starting to trust us.
You want some? You want some?
Give it some. Get closer.
No, I'm scared. You want some?
The most it can do is like bite you and it won't even hurt. Oh,
What do you mean it won't even hurt? They have huge ass teeth.
okay, it'll probably hurt. Yeah, look at the butt. There's like poo on it. Look at the poo on that butt. Look at that.
Oh,
Ew.
yummy.
Isn't this smell great?
I can't smell anything.
This is what happens when you live next to wilderness.
We don't live next to a wilderness.
Come on, Bartholomew. Come in. Okay, shine the light. I don't. Right there.
Put it lower. Put it lower.
Oh, my hand. That felt like an
like
old
that?
grandpa biting my hands.
Notice how the other goats are slowly approaching us.
They're coming towards us. Oh my god, they're surrounding us. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's pig. It's pig. Oh, look at that.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
This is an awkward animal moment.
Okay.
Okay.
Bartholomew. You dirty, dirty animal.
So we decided to throw the whole apple at Bartholomew and he's chewing it right now. And it's kind of hilarious.
Oh my god, Bartholomew!
You pig! You're not even a goat. You're a pig. Doesn't it look like I'm a fox? A foxy fox? Hee 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 hee.